Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas which I've put over some light and dark grey. That's air traffic you hear, and you'll hear rather a lot of it. There's nothing I can do and nothing I want to do about it. They are planes that are aiding in the bushfires that we're suffering at the moment. So, Godspeed to them. Alright, so what I thought I might do, I have a paper cup which I can make a little spout, and I thought I might just do a little ring pour. So I have black, bright red, sap green, which is sort of a medium colour green, a light blue and a hot pink. Notice no white. I thought I might try one without any white. So to start it off, I think I'll just use a tad of the black. First in, last out. That wasn't clever. Alright, we'll get over it. Some red, pretty green, some blue, and some pink. And because I happen to like the black against this pink, I might give it a little squirt there. And put in some green, I think. I want to mix the colours up a little bit, just to make them a bit more interesting. And some pink. Then I can sit that on there. Stay. I'm just going to scratch out what's left in these cups as well. There is silicone in each of the colours except the black, and I don't really care if I don't get cells. Not all that interested in them. I like to see the patterns and the lines and what have you, and the cells seem to break those up. Although I'm not saying I dislike cells, because I do. Might be rather a lot of green. But it doesn't really matter, does it? We're just going to see what we have. Right. Couldn't get any more in there, I don't think, if I wanted to, which I don't. So here we go. I might try it up a bit higher and come down. Dribbling the black through these colours. Well, the black and green look really good together. Right. I like this. Not so fussed, so let's just see what we can do here. Right. Now I just take it around a little bit. Oh, a lot of paint. That's okay. None of it goes to waste. I scrape it all up for reuse at a later date. I love my stripes. Whoa, they're looking good. There you go, to the edge. There goes the stripes. Bring this around, I think. Pick up the green this corner. don't stretch them out too far. Okay, that's looking good. Quite happy. Just going to check all these edges. They should be pretty much covered. I tipped off a lot of paint over them. Still miss that one. And there you go. Alright. So what I'm going to do now is just rinse my hands off and dry them, and then I'm going to torch it and see what we have. Certainly different. Is that a polite way of saying it's wretched? I think it is. So what I might do is just switch you off for a second while I make up some more green and black and go through there and see if I can't get those stripes back. So, excuse me for 1 minute. Okay, so I'm back. Didn't take long, did it? I've got green, black and red. I've just made some more up, and I have another thingo, so I'm going to put a little bit of black, a little bit of green, a little bit of black, some more green, touch of red, green, black, and I've probably been pouring it so you couldn't even see what I was doing. Sorry, that's a bit of a blooper. And I'm just this and a tad of red, and I shall finish off with some black. Okay, quite pretty, and I'm going to start from here and work my way across. Really see what I'm doing here, and my arm is creating a shadow, but I think I'm still getting paint out. Yeah, tiny little bits, that's alright. Now I'm going to well, I was going to put some black along there. I'm going to come out not so much. Okay, that there where I wanted it. Now we'll see how we go. There we go. The recipes for these paints in a pouring medium you'll find down below underneath Show More, along with the link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come join us. And I think this is much nicer. I'm ever so glad I did that. Just going to bring him down a little bit. And then I think back would be good. Have him in there. Yes. I like this a lot better. So I'm going to wipe my hands off and torch it, and hopefully not get too many more of these ugly cells. Go away. Red on there. Rid of those ugly ones. Oops, there's some more sneaking through. Sneaky. Right. Now I do have to wipe my hands. And then I shall torch. Here comes some more of those ugly cells. Alright, go away. Fire in the bush. Not good, but that's what we're experiencing, so I think that's what this painting wants to be. Pretty sad. And maybe some more green over here. But I think I'll tip it this way. See how we go. It's really quite pretty. You see it that way? That is really pretty. And I'm going to, I think, just leave it she says as she picks up the red paint. Just to bring some red through here. And then I'm going to leave it. She really is going to leave it. I shall just dry my hands up and I'll bring you down to have a closer look, because it's quite bright. The red's really nice against that green. Okay, and I'm so glad that I did change it. And so there she is. It's really quite pretty. Well, I think so. I like the lines and the different shades you get when you have the lines. Just I find them more appealing than a canvas full of a whole bunch of cells. I'm not saying I dislike the cells, but I do like these lines better. But that's just a personal choice, I suppose. Thank you very much for watching. Please give this the thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it when people give me the thumbs up for the paintings. Incentive to do the next one. And thank you very much again for watching, and I'll catch you in next video or over Australia Art Dreaming. Bye for now.